Hey, what's up guys, TechTitan here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin this video, as always, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, leave a thumbs up. Also make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so, pretty easy. And also leave a thumbs up under this video, and also check out more of my content. I'll leave them linked below. And also might as well just follow me on Instagram, also linked below. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the LG K40, which is the successor to the LG K30. So yeah, here's how the box looks like. It's a standard Metro by T-Mobile box, nothing crazy, but I'm really actually excited to see what upgrades LG has brought to the K40. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So taking a look at the box, like I said, it's just a standard box, nothing crazy. And on the back you do have some specs. So it is a 5.7 HD plus display, which the LG K40 now supports 18:9 aspect ratio. You have a 13 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel front facing camera, 32 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. Now specs I'm not really too hyped about, but hey, this is just the unboxing and impressions. I'll do a separate performance test later. Okay, so here it is. Here's the phone. Let's just take it out and set it to the side real quick. It's a nice phone so far. Yeah, let's just set it to the side real quick and see what else we get in the box. So we get our booklet in the box, you know, nothing crazy. Put that to the side, we don't care about that. The SIM card, the wall adapter, nice. Put that to the side. And we get a disappointing micro USB connector. Why? Alright, whatever. Okay, so I went ahead and already set up the phone. So here's how it looks like. This is your 5.7-inch IPS panel, 18:9 aspect ratio. And right off the bat, it looks pretty decent. So yeah. And here's your 5 megapixel front facing camera with your earpiece. You do have a LED notification light, so I'm glad that LG brought that. And you also have your front facing flash. Now on the bottom you have your 3.5mm headphone jack, that micro USB connector, a microphone, and the speaker. But damn, that micro USB is pissing me off. It really is. I really thought that the LG would just kill it. That port should just be killed. It's done. All right, it's 2019. So yeah, kind of disappointed about that. But if you guys can tell, the sides have kind of this chrome finish, which makes it look nice. So I'm really glad that it makes it look nice. So on the right hand side you have your power button, which is decently clicky, and on the left hand side you have your volume up and down, as well as an additional button. So this is a dedicated here's what this button does. So this is basically a Google Assistant button, and it comes in handy. It doesn't really mess up too much with the design of the phone. And yeah, so now on the back you have your 13 megapixel camera, your LED flash, and the fingerprint sensor. And the back overall really reminds me of the LG Aristo 3 Plus. It's clean, and I like that. Now there is a downside to the design. It went from metal to plastic. So how you feel about that is pretty much your own opinion. So me personally, I mean, it looks cleaner. They just downgraded in the material. So yeah, there's that. And if they downgraded in the material, I think they could have pulled off a USB-C. But hey, I'll complain more in my final review. As far as performance, I will be also doing a dedicated performance test. But the day-to-day tasks, the phone app, the messaging app, it's still fast. I mean, it's decently fast. It's not the fastest in the world, but for a budget phone, it's decently quick. And the camera app, of course, and I will also be doing a camera test, so stay tuned for that. It should be up soon. So yeah, subscribe and stay tuned for that. And just by taking just a quick sample shot, I mean, I can't really make a full judgment on it. So yeah, it's quick at taking pictures, I'll give them that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the design and the performance. Now let's quickly do a speaker test, and I'll give you guys my final words on this phone. Okay, so as far as the speaker goes, it's a pretty decent speaker. It's definitely, to me, better than the LG K30. And it is still downward facing, but it's better than back facing, so a step in the right direction, you could say. However, it does distort at highest volumes, which, I mean, pretty much most speakers do, and you can block it easily with your finger. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy this one, leave a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.